Okay, so with this 2021 4Runner, it has quite a few upgrades on it. We're going to start off with the lift kit. It has an ARB Man Emu 3-inch lift kit on it. It's going to replace your front coils, your front struts, your front upper control arms, which you'll notice if you look right under, you can see those coming down right past where the front strut is. Those are going to help with the alignment. It's going to give you a better ride quality. They're also a lot more durable than the stock ones. It also gives you a better ball joint on the upper control arm, which is more durable for off-roading. The shocks and struts that they put on with the lift kit are also off-road, and so they are more durable. You're not going to get shock fade like you would with stock shocks if you're going over a lot of rough terrain. That can make the shocks foam a little bit and makes them not work as well. These are not going to do that. It also gives you rear coils and rear shocks. And then when you do a lift kit on the 4Runner, it gives you a trim packer for the left front strut. It's going to make it sit level. Otherwise it would be off just a little bit. And then with that, you can put much larger tires on. So these are 285/70/17 tires, quite a bit larger than the stock ones. Also going to help you get over some of that rough terrain. And these are the Toyo Open Country AT3s, which are an awesome choice when you're doing on-road and off-road driving. They're going to give you a nice quiet drive that you don't feel the tires too much. If you go with a more aggressive off-road tire, sometimes you can feel that on the road. They also have the XD Aftermarket Rims, which are going to add a nice style to the vehicle, but it also gives you a better offset, which is going to pull the tires away from the suspension parts, so that way they don't rub when you're going with a larger, wider tire. On the front, you'll notice that this one has a custom body armor Hiline Series front bumper. This is really cool. It's going to add a nice appearance factor to the vehicle, but you're also going to have room to put shackles on for pulling your vehicle out if you get stuck. It does have a spot for a winch if you wanted to upgrade and add a winch to the vehicle. That's going to allow you to pull yourself out by attaching to objects when you're off-roading. It also has a really nice 20-inch dual-row LED light bar, which is going to really light up your surroundings when you're off-roading if you're out there in the dark. Off-road use only, they're extremely bright. And then this also does have upgraded fog lights. So these are Baja design amber fog lights, much brighter than the stock fog lights. But you'll notice they're also yellow or amber. Amber light is going to help you see a lot better through fog. And so those are a nice upgrade as well. It also has the Toyota Blackout badge kit. It's going to black out the vehicle with all the badges. You have the black Trd Performance Exhaust on this vehicle. Give you a nice rumble, nice exhaust tune to it, but it also opens up that exhaust a little bit bigger, giving you a little bit more power, a little bit better fuel economy. And then this 4Runner also has the Trd Shift Knob inside as well.